on your VA that's making your phone calls, do they ever get flagged for spam? Are you making that many calls?
All the time. All the time. Um, was your next question going to be how can I keep from getting flagged as spam?
You are you A2P compliant? Did you have to register with the phone companies, or is that just for mass texting?
That's for mass texting. Being compliant with the 10 DLC registration will help you keep from getting flagged as spam, but it's not foolproof. So if you're going to text from a number, especially if it's a voice over IP line, you need to register 10 DLC, which is going to make you A2B compliant. At least it's half of the process. And it'll help your numbers keep from getting flagged, but you've got to really practice great phone management. You have to have really good phone management skill, um, which I've been dealing with this today, because our numbers are getting flagged as spam in record time, in like a day or two of using numbers.
Wow.
So in the past, the rule has been that if you frequently make more than 50 outbound dials in a day, you're going to get flagged as spam eventually. So we just went out and got enough phone numbers to where no phone number is dialing more than about 30 or 40 dials in a day, and that a year ago would have done the trick. It doesn't do the trick now. The other thing that we were doing, and most of you guys have heard me say this, we were calling people that didn't answer the phone. We were calling them three times in the same day. As of today, we're going to stop doing that because the phone carriers are also looking at unanswered calls without voicemails, personalized voicemails, and they're looking at the percentage of unanswered calls. So if somebody didn't answer my phone twice today and I do a third call, the percentages of them answering are pretty low. So overall, our percentages of answers are are pretty small on a round of calls. Now, over the course of a month, I might get 50 or 60% of my leads to answer the phone, but that's on 20, 25 calls. So the carriers look and they go, only 4% of your calls go answered, and you're making 30 or 40 calls in a day. You're obviously selling something. So the carriers just have AI that's set up in their systems that's monitoring call habits, and they're flagging you really fast. So there's a couple of ways that it would seem that we can protect our numbers a little bit more. Is number one, not to make more than about 15 dials per number. Number two,
15 or 50?
15.
Okay.
Um, Number two, leave voice messages, personalized voice messages, not a voice drop. Voice drop is better than no message at all. I don't like these rules, by guys. I'm not happy about the news that I'm giving you, but leave voice messages. Change phone numbers. If you're going to make more than about 15 dials in a day, change phone numbers and make sure that you're not doing those 15 calls back to back to back to back to back. So, another thing is if you're going to call someone, call them from the same number tomorrow. So, we're going to quit doing 3 dials to the same lead every day. I don't like it. Okay. I want to do 3 dials to the same lead. I want them to go, man, I've missed this call 3 times today. It must be important. Unfortunately, the carriers are on to us and are flagging spam. And then the last thing that we're changing is we're actually registering the number, and I gotta look at the name of the registration. It's not the 10 DLC, which allows you to text. It is, and I'm gonna give it to you guys in 1 second. It is nope, I'm not going to give it to you. It's registering. You know how if somebody calls you, you're actually registering with the carriers and you're saying, "This is my company name." If you guys ever get calls from the dentist or the doctor's office, it shows up healthcare. So it's the same thing. It shows up with your organization name, and that the carrier views it as a little bit more legitimate. and is less likely to push you into the spam flag or spam flag you. I'm not saying they're not going to spam flag you, but they're a little bit less likely.
Okay.
All right. I don't love the news that I'm giving you, but we're getting numbers flagged as spam that never would have been flagged before. So it's getting tight.
Okay.